Okay, so what else do you need me to bring? The thing is already in the car. It doesn't do anything.
Every time. That's all done. That's the way you do everything. Just really do a half of it. Good morning, Philippines!
Bye. Bye-bye. Look at their tail. Bye-bye. I'll see you later, okay? I'll see you later. No?
I got hamburgers and stuff, so you want to have lunch here, then you just come back up here and I'll make hamburgers. And I got hamburgers and hot dogs I picked up, so.
And have dinner here?
Yeah, if you want to, you know, depends on how you feel. If you want to come back up here and have lunch when you get here.
Lunch is gonna be dinner because it's late already.
Well, it's
Late dinner.
2 o'clock. We just have a later dinner, that's all.
You know, you have a party, loud music, you can't play loud music after.
Ion, see you later. Drive careful. The fog is lifting up, so you should be okay. There's a little wiggling stuff. Knock me over. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Love you too.
You need a haircut too.
Yeah.
And Rossi, get some rest. You look.
See you guys when you get back.
And when you let them out, and please watch Coyote. Yeah.
I'll be home.
So after dialysis, we're gonna stop at the house that you can use the bathroom. And then we're gonna heading here. Okay. That's good. Okay, I'm heading home. I just dropped her off. It's so freaking hot. As in so hot. And it's ridiculous. Ridiculously hot. I don't know. Oh yeah. Anyway, so you're kind of crooked. I'm sorry, but yeah, that's what happened. That's what happened when these people just stay put in their thing. Well, actually guys, the drive hindi siya traffic. I'm so sleepy guys. Honestly, even there's music, I'm listening music. You know, music makes me like alive. But because it's all love song, like I wanna go to sleep. It makes me fall asleep. And yeah, I'm so sleepy and I just like do like this. Let me love you till the tita. Like I have to make noises. I don't care. And then my mother-in-law was sleeping, and then I just have to like, kind of like, no, when I make noises and then she is like, she woke up from my noises because I need to be awake while I'm driving. You know, it's just dangerous, guys, dangerous. And so yun, I just have to like, and then when she woke up, she said, oh, I fall asleep. Sabi, nakatulog ako guys, nakatulog ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako nagsasalita kasi nagising siya dahil sa ingay ko. Kasi kailangan kong mag-ingay or I have to move my head or something. Oh, anyway guys, Tommy, and doon si Tommy sa bahay, diba? So Tommy is in the house and he got home last night. So he decided from work, he stopped by in here in the house, the old house, to pick up some stuff and decided to drive to our house. And yeah, so he's there and he got home like very late. Hello guys, I am here guys. Nandito na ako sa bahay guys. And yep. Ano lang. Wala na akong time mag ano guys. Wala akong time maglinis-linis kasi mag-i-edit ako ng video. Kalaw ito mga. Hi guys, nagutom ako sa sa kaka-edit. At least nakatapos ako ng 2 video. Uploaded na yung isa. Yung isa, finalize ko na lang siya. So yun. At saka nagutom. Buti na lang may rice dito from Chinese. Hindi nila nakain lahat. So ito na lang yung lunch ko. At saka may chicken pa din at saka vegetables from Popeyes. So which is really good. So kain tayo. Meron akong sukang pinakurat dito. 2016. Ay, expired na pala ito. Ay, ayaw ko na gamitin. Expired na. Suka na lang, suka. Yung regular na suka. Yun, wala akong sili dito guys. So, ang gagawin ko, suka na lang yan. At asin. Lagyan natin konti ng asin para hindi siya suka. Hi guys, nakatulog ako dito guys. Tulog ako for like 2.5 hours. Kasi ako, sleepy as in. Sleepy si Manay ninyo, sleepy. Hi guys, we are heading out here guys. It's so freaking duper hot. Sobrang init. Pero hindi ko tinurn on yung AC because later on I'll do it. Pero punta na kami. Hindi ko makain yung biyanan ko dito. Doon na sa isang bahay kakain. Pero tawagan ko muna yung asawa ko. Hi, where are you? Huh? Okay, so what else do you need me to bring? The thing is already in the car.
You got the wire and you got the chainsaw, right?
Yeah, that's it? Okay.
I got the gas, I hooked up to the grill. I got gas for the lawnmower in the garage.
Okay, continue the garden, hon.
You what?
Continue the garden. It's just like
I
finish.
can't continue the garden, it's too wet to do it, hon. That's why I stopped.
It's still wet?
Yeah. If we get for lunch, I'll go out there and do it.
Hi guys, malapit na kami sa bahay. We're almost home. I just stopped at a Stop and Shop. I'm just filming. Oh. Nag-stop lang ako sa Stop and Shop. I just got bread for your burger. I got bread. The bread for the burger.
Oh.
Malapit na kami sa bahay. Tami is there guys. Nagluluto pala ako guys na pork chops. Parang sunog siya. Pero that's what I like. That's the like, burnt. That's the like, Yung asawa ko naglulunmoing. Lunmore. You stay here, huh? Okay, let's go out this. Let's go. Hello, baby. Hello. What? I know you don't like the loud noise. I know you don't. Dada went to the thing over there. Oh. Kasi unta na imong lubot. So nice outside na ngayon guys dahil siya, yung mga kahoy na uputik na siya. Look at him, he doesn't see me. Misty. Roxy, yung pagkakiat na lang yun ni mo Roxy at kay Karox. Kiat guys, let's see ay. Kiat. Kiat.
Go ahead, you can vlog it.
Okay guys.
Product challenges.
I'm just watching Middlecore playing Rules of Survival right now. Of course, si Tammy bumili ng, what's the name of this? Brio? Hand massager. Yeah.
It's actually not quite the massager, but okay.
What I'm gonna do?
Put your hand in. Damn, good.
Oh my god.
Don't
the way?
go crazy. No, don't go crazy. Look, your hand like that.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
This freaking bench is gonna die.
Is it
Because
my
I had held it for a long time.
It doesn't do anything.
Every time. Don't bang that thing.
Hala. Oh my god, hala. It's gonna kill my circulation, hon.
No, it'll actually improve your circulation.
Huh?
It'll actually improve your circulation.
Hala. My jewelry, hon, is cold. Shit, it's so tight. Hala guys. Guys, look. Oh my god, it squeezed your freaking hand.
You feel all those limbs going in?
Yeah.
Feel
Oh, I
something.
like this massage thing. Like it's
Now
moving.
Right.
I like the part that it's moving, guys.
It's very slight. You gotta remember, it's easy to break your finger bone, so of course it's not gonna do it like hard.
Hala, hon. Hon, it squeezed so much, hon, with my hand.
Relax.
No, my jewelry is squishing. Oh my god. No, this is done. I'm done.
Llama.
Oh my god. Hala, guys.
Look at the dark face.
Guys, tignan niyo yung kamay ko, guys. Hon, what did you did to me? What you did to me, hon? Guys.
Yo, that's I know too. You had your hand in too far.
Huh?
You had your hand in too far because there should be dots all over here. These are areas that affect your kidneys, your liver, your heart, that's the whole idea.
That's my husband, guys. Guys, you've been somebody asking, where's Tommy? Tommy is not with you. Where is he?
And then a day off in a month.
Yeah. Has a long hair now too, guys. But he looks good, guys. So, tito pa rin ay. Love you, guaps. 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 Guaps pito. I love you, guaps pito. Okay.
That's all done. That's the way you do everything. Just really do a half step. That's how you came in the door, and that's the way you were the whole time. Yeah.
Okay, you don't, and then
And you do say that. You did.
because you don't, you start and you always stop.
It kept killing the lawnmower. What do you want for my life?
This is
It's not killing the machine. It's brand new.
This is how he is, guys, today. So mean. And is it nicer when it's spring and summer and it's so greeny and right?
I like the winter.
You're not even here winter. Guys, makakain na ako, guys. And we're almost 10,000, and you see this video, guys, is 10,000 subscribers already. So let me see, let me check now. Oh my goodness. Hello guys, good evening guys. It's 10 something o'clock already. And we hit 10,000 subscribers today. 10,000 subscribers. What is today? Na umaabot tayo ng 10,000 guys. What is today, Han? What is today? We hit 2,000 subscribers today. But what is today?
Date?
The day.
Monday.
Monday, May 7. Yeah, guys. Oh my God, Monday. Yes, thank you all guys so much for subscribing sa channel natin, guys. Ang dami na tayo, guys. Hindi lang ito sa amin ha, sa atin na rin kasi andito kayo palagi sa mga nanonood. Always. Thank you guys. And matutulog na kami. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko inasahan talaga guys na aabot tayo ng 10,000 subscribers. Kasi when I hit 500 subscribers, oh my god, I'm really happy. I was really happy guys na nagka 500 subscribers and then 1,000 and then umabot ng 5,000 and then guys, hindi ko inaasahan talaga as in. Right hand? We don't asa-asa that hand, right hand?
What?
We don't asa-asa that we get 10,000. Asa-asa. Asa-asa, yeah. I never really expect. I mean, I know there's you guys watch my channel. I'm happy. But 10,000 umabot tayo ron. Thank you guys so much. Magla-live ako bukas. You seen it already guys because this video is late. So, nakikita nyo na yan live mukbang tomorrow. I will try to do my best to do live tomorrow because I promise already. Nagpo-post na ako sa Facebook and so yun. But anyway, before that, para bukas mataas yung energy natin, matutulog na ako. And yeah, so matutulog plus mag-gardening pa ako bukas and do live. Thank you guys so much for watching. I-end ko na tong video and yeah, salamat guys so much. Yung asawa ko nagbigay na naman ng mga treaties. Yeah, and the bag is over there. He want that bone though. He like that bone. With the chicken thing, it's right here, oh. He like this.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, but he likes to pick the chicken part. Halves like this, the dog bone. Something wrong with the man. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Say good night, Han.
Hi, guys.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.